Theopista Twembe nkomwe abebembezi abarikwebembera ekitongole kirwanira bw'abantu omuri KABALE niwe abarabembiremo batahebe.
Prison population still very high. All the prisons in Kigezi region are filled to capacity. Actually, most of them are tripling. If a prison was meant for 50 prisoners, it has now over than 300 prisoners. So we found this at Ndorwa government prison. You can imagine 102, and right now it has over than 600. So how do you expect these people to sleep?
Theopista agambere nanshonga yokushangaho abana bato n'abakomwa okumara obwire burengwa.
Turambere bihome tushangira y'abantu ab'emiringo etari emwe n'emwe. Ntushanga y'abakazi n'abashija, ntushanga yo n'abana bunkumanyisa abantu abajya hansi y'imyaka 18 abishiki na naboje. Mwene tushangire bihome na munonga nk'ekihome ekyarukungiri negeshaha nyine y'abana bato mu rujunga bakweta juvenile offenders. Aba bana bako babali in conflict with the law. So far bamarayo weeks 2 bakiri y'ahakome cya police. Tushangire ngo abana baburijo bashimuka baryo mu mashomero n'bashoma nabone nibetaba omukende biragiro. So tushangira abana baryo mu police cells kandi ikindi kirubatira obugabe bwabo nkabana.
Ogu yerukano kwatwaho abo buraro w'abapolisi hamwe n'abakozi b'ibihome.
Angire ngo abapolisi n'aba prison zimwe muri abantu bakora imirimo yabo konkana bagikorera mu mbere mbi tibine buraro burungi tibine offices nungi ebi byona ne bibaletera obumuku mu kureba bakora hanshonga z'abantu obumuku kushanga umuserukara atari mu mbera nungi ninjire bebinte bakora bamenyuma nabyo ne bibaletera ba reacting abacho konkito nka Human Rights Commission tukijumira bashime kwani bakora imirimo yabo omumateka nko kugakuga.
There are areas where the individuals struggle to achieve, but Sunny is institutional challenge.
So we always say that as you do that, I recommend that you also go and condemn the situations, those hostile situations that